Hi, everybody. Welcome to another Chats with Chaudhry. And today, on this glorious day in Surrey, with the sun is shining outside of my window, I'm delighted to joined by Ellie Bickell, who is the assistant conference producer at Oxford Global. And today, we're going to be talking about not one, but two events. They're co-located. One is Discovery Europe, and the other one is Automate. And they are running in Basel on May the 22nd and 23rd. So, Ellie's going to give me a quick overview of what you can expect if you're a visitor. And if you're not already registered, why you should register. So, Ellie, first of all, it's lovely to see you again. How are you?
Yeah, I'm well, thank you. How are you?
I'm very, very well. Now, is the sun shining where you are? That's what I want to know, first of all.
It is. Yeah, it's just coming out at the moment. So yeah, looking to be a sunny day.
Fantastic. Good. Look, right, let's talk about Discovery Europe and Automate. As I said, they're two events, but they are co-located. So, for viewers not familiar with either event, can you give us a quick overview of the events themselves, who they're targeted, and what they cover, in terms of subject matter?
Yeah, of course. So our Discovery Europe 2024 event is comprised of two programs. So we have our 22nd annual Drug Discovery and Discovery Chemistry Summit, which is one of our longest running events, as well as our fifth annual Neuroscience Drug Development Congress. And then these are co-located with Automate, which includes the third annual Smart Labs Automation and Robotics Congress. So across these three programs, we'll cover all aspects of drug discovery and development. So this ranges from early drug discovery of novel targets using advanced screening approaches and medicinal chemistry and drug design to the complex disease models and drug discovery for neurodegenerative diseases. And finally, Automate will showcase how AI and machine learning, robotics, and automation are being utilized to accelerate those early drug discovery processes and optimize lab workflows as well. So, really, wherever you are within the discovery space, there's something for you at this event.
Fantastic. Well, I know you helped put together the conference program. So, let's talk about some of the trends that you've seen while you've been putting the program together.
Yeah, of course. So, one pretty major trend that we're seeing pop up everywhere within drug discovery right now is the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to accelerate discovery processes. So, this, of course, goes hand in hand with the automation and digitalization of labs using robotics and data-driven modeling. But this is also becoming quite an integral part of the early drug discovery process. So, AI can aid with target identification and validation, chemical synthesis and molecular drug design, biomarker development, hit finding and characterization, and much more. So it's really no wonder that we're seeing a lot more of it within the drug discovery field as well. And another major trend that we've been seeing more in the neuroscience space is the focus on neuroinflammation and neuroimmunology. So regulation of neuroinflammation has shown promise in mitigating neurodegenerative diseases. Plus, there has been increasing evidence linking neuroimmune mechanisms with neurodegenerative and psychiatric disease. So, yeah, this is really becoming more of a trend within the neuroscience space. But despite this promise, there's still quite a long way to go in identifying those key mechanisms and biomarkers that are involved here, and exactly how to translate this into drug development as well. So, these trends, alongside some others, have quite prominent features throughout our program and throughout our event to really reflect this importance and spark discussion around the challenges that we're seeing here.
All right, fantastic. Now, you said obviously you got three. So, I was all right in saying you got three tracks running then across the two events, or has it there's three events with a number of different tracks?
Yeah, so across the three programs, we have 11 unique tracks delving into the different aspects of drug discovery and automation. So, our first day is really exploring the identification of novel targets and the new modalities that we're seeing, and how enabling technologies and advanced screening approaches can aid in this discovery with a particular focus on targeted protein degradation. We then spotlight how these novel approaches and emerging technologies are being utilized for neurological treatment as well as the recent advancements we're seeing in medicinal chemistry and drug design as well. And finally, we highlight the use of digital tools and automation to optimize lab efficiency and smart manufacturing and robotics. And a spotlight session here is our workshop surrounding the overcoming the blood-brain barrier in the delivery of therapeutics. So this will have three presentations from Jeffrey Kirchner, Urs Langen, and Kirsten Hoffer, all from Roche, heroing their breakthrough brain shuttle technology, which, yeah, is looking to be a very exciting session. And then moving on to day two, this is where we're shedding light on the complex disease modeling techniques, translating those discoveries into development, including animal models, organoids, human iPSC models, and molecular drug design and hit finding and optimization techniques. And we also cover the drug discovery for neurodegenerative disease and how lab robotics and tools are being used for drug discovery workflows, as well as implementing AI and ML in the lab. And our keynote speakers here include Janet Brownlees, Senior Director at Merck, who will be speaking on the acceleration of target discovery in neuroscience. CK Ong, Director at GSK, speaking on fair data principles in pharmaceutical research and development. And finally, Simona Catesta, Director of Global Discovery Chemistry at Novartis, who will be speaking on the implementation of physics-based in silico tools to drive design.
Great. Well, well remembered. Now, apart from the talks, what else are you doing at the event to engage visitors and delegates?
So, apart from the talks, we have a variety of opportunities to get stuck into more discussion-based sessions, which highlight the current trends and challenges being faced by the industry. So, a couple of key panel and roundtable discussions focus on using genomics and genetics data for target identification and validation, automation and robotics in drug discovery and development, as well as digital biomarkers in neuroscience clinical development. So, yeah, those are some of our more discussion-based sessions. But we also want to give attendees as much opportunity as possible to network throughout the event. So our breaks are really dedicated to this networking time to connect peers and leading solution providers on site, alongside showcasing poster displays on sort of the latest data breakthroughs in the space. Furthermore, at the end of day one, we'll be hosting a Discovery and Automate networking drinks reception, in which we'll be inviting everyone to join in our speed networking social, which really gets the conversations flowing with people that you may have not met otherwise. So yeah, it's always a really nice way to end the first day.
Fantastic. Now, one of the things I always ask you and others when I do these interviews is how much of the event is available digitally or on demand after the event?
Yeah, so our events are sort of fully in person, but we do have our exclusive Plus Pass. So this is an annual membership program designed to help life science professionals to overcome the challenges that they're facing in their research by providing access to high-level information, events, and key experts in the field so they can reach their research goals faster. So we have built sort of this custom platform where the on-demand presentations are housed from across all of our events. So members have a wealth of knowledge at their fingertips, and they can connect with our global community as well as access a year-long wealth of knowledge with entry to our content library, plus a variety of interactive features as well, such as webinars and online sessions.
All right. Now, finally, there's some people here. I know it's a Friday and the event starts next Wednesday, if I remember correctly. Only a few days left. But if people haven't registered and still like to come to the lovely city of Basel, which is a lovely place as well, why should they register if they haven't registered yet?
So we've really curated our Discovery and Automate events to be a specialized hub for knowledge exchange, providing a platform to spotlight the cutting edge trends and challenges in the industry right now, with the opportunity to not only hear from and connect with the leading innovators in drug discovery, neuroscience, and automation, but also stay at the very forefront of scientific research by hearing about the emerging technologies and modalities really spearheading this drug discovery. It's really not an event to miss. So if anyone's looking to accelerate their research and make some really new, meaningful connections and collaborations, Discovery and Automate Europe is the place to be next week.
Oh, there you go. Then. Well, look, there you go. Viewers. If you are there, then now you've got a taste of what you can expect. If you're not there yet, but you'd be interested to register, then click on the link above the video and learn more. Or you can contact Ellie directly on LinkedIn as well. She's on LinkedIn and learn more. Maybe, just maybe, I might see you there as well with my orange trainers and orange top. So, Ellie, it's lovely to see you. I hope it goes really well next week, and hopefully I will see you there next week as well. And viewers, as I said, if you want to learn more, click on the link above, and hopefully I'll see you next week as well. So until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye bye.